Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can spawn a Katana handle in Township Tale. So let's get right into it. Township Tale is an upcoming multiplayer VR RPG, and it is currently in its pre-alpha stages. This means that it is very subject to change. All the information that I tell you might not be up to date when you're viewing this video, and of course there are a lot of glitches and bugs which might happen, of course, since it is early access at this moment. Now, to actually spawn items in, it is it is the same process for all items, so a katana handle does fall within this place. And as you can see, I'm using a Reddit article since I do not own a VR headset, so I cannot show you directly. However, to spawn items, you do not use the spawn command in the dashboard. The dashboard command console is the tool that's used for these commands. So what you need to do is use the trade post command. Now this is so that you can send items to your mailbox in game, and once you actually do, you will get those items and be able to withdraw them from your trade post, mailbox, whatever you want to call it. So the command is just basically trade post followed by the player name, item name, and then the quantity, and just make sure you enter the correct item name for the katana handle and you should be able to spawn it perfectly. Now, one caveat is that you should not, or you cannot rather, give yourself items that haven't been implemented, since if you do or if you try, it will crash your server. So items such as goetra cores, birch, redwood fall out of that classification and you cannot spawn them yet, or rather you shouldn't, because they'll crash your game. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.